so much neighborhoods, Daddy.
What?
We have so much neighborhoods, Dad.
Yeah. Saan ko muna yung sasakyan? Sobrang init.
You're taking video?
Yeah. How about your bag? Kala ko paalis na kami. Pagbalik ko ng bahay, nagliligpit pa at naghahanda pa ng mga kailangan dalhin. Tapos yung anak kong bunso tulog pa. Mami, panay pampaganda. Bye muna. Tagal. Yun, sa wakas, natapos din. Init.
Who wants to go? Adult, put up your hand.
Me.
Me. Finally. Hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray!
Say Marina, Daddy.
Hooray! Daddy, say
Sikip.
hooray.
No? Garcia. Daddy, look. Picture. Who's a wakey girl?
Me.
Who's a wakey
Girl?
Who's this girl?
And then we should go to hotel with Dad at 7 and Mommy and Daddy. Goodbye, guys. It's done.
Diyan sa salamin. Ayun, class, nakarating na kami. Luggage.
No, all bags. Sige na, pakuha mo na.
After checking, it's fine? Or not? If you want, you can get it now. Ano ngayon na ba?
Sige. Eh. Thank you. Oh, there's teacher. Hi. Ay, bawal. This is our room. Give me the key. Zach, let's go. Let's check. Bag niya na yan sa atin. Yung sa akin.
Wow, this is amazing. Guys, wait, Dad, put your bag.
My card. The bathroom. That's it. Wow.
Take video.
Okay na, naka-check-in na kami. Dito na kami sa kwarto. Upload ko na lang next time yung swimming tsaka yung dinner namin.